Imagine you're opening a new restaurant. You've got the perfect location, a fantastic menu, and a talented team. But what about the layout? How do you ensure that your customers have a seamless experience from the moment they walk in to the time they leave? That's where a floor plan comes in. It's the blueprint for your restaurant's success, helping you optimize seating, workflow, and overall efficiency. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a floor plan using TouchBistro, a powerful restaurant management system. Understanding your restaurant. Before we dive into TouchBistro, let's take a moment to understand your restaurant's unique needs. Consider the following questions. Seating capacity. How many guests do you want to accommodate? Layout. Do you prefer a traditional dining room, a bar area, or a combination of both? Workflow. How will your staff move around the restaurant to serve customers efficiently? Special features. Are there any specific elements you want to incorporate, such as a patio or a private dining room? Once you have a clear vision of your restaurant, you can start creating your floor plan. Creating your floor plan in TouchBistro. Access the floor plan module, log into your TouchBistro account and navigate to the floor plan module. Import an existing floor plan. If you have a pre-existing floor plan, e.g., from an architect, you can import it into TouchBistro. Draw your floor plan. If you're starting from scratch, use TouchBistro's drawing tools to create your floor plan. You can add walls, doors, windows, and other elements. Define seating areas. Indicate where tables and chairs will be located. You can customize the table sizes and shapes to match your restaurant's layout. Add stations. Designate areas for specific tasks, such as the bar, kitchen, and POS stations. Customize table numbers. Assign unique numbers to each table for easy identification and management. Configure zones. If you want to divide your restaurant into different zones, e.g., dining room, bar, you can create and configure them. Tips for effective floor plan design. Consider traffic flow. Ensure that customers and staff can move freely throughout the restaurant without congestion. Optimize seating arrangements. Arrange tables and chairs in a way that promotes comfortable dining and efficient service. Utilize space efficiently. Make the most of your available space by avoiding unnecessary empty areas. Think about accessibility. Ensure that your floor plan complies with accessibility standards for customers with disabilities. Additional features in TouchBistro. Table reservations. Use TouchBistro's reservation system to manage table bookings and seating arrangements. Table status management. Track the status of each table, e.g., occupied, dirty, ready for seating, to improve service efficiency. Floor plan layouts. Create multiple floor plan layouts for different times of day or special events. A well-designed floor plan is essential for the success of your restaurant. By following the steps outlined in this video and utilizing TouchBistro's powerful features, you can create a layout that optimizes customer experience and operational efficiency. Remember, your floor plan is not set in stone. You can always make adjustments as needed to adapt to changing circumstances or customer preferences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.